hope you had a great New Year start. And welcome back to Kalaahal's Coloring with Oil Pastels lessons. So in our previous lessons, we have learnt various mantras of coloring with oil pastels. So the first mantra was small strokes and sleeping lines. The second mantra was top to bottom. And the third mantra was no white space. So from today, we are going to learn few techniques of coloring with oil pastels. And today, we'll learn two things, strokes and outlines. So today, we are making three drawings. The first one is a mango. The second is a big sunflower. And the third is a landscape with heavy clouds. So we are coloring all the three drawings by using our three mantras of coloring, that is sleeping lines and small strokes, top to bottom and no white space. So now let's learn what a stroke is. So stroke is a line which is made by applying pressure on the first point and releasing it like this. So apply a little bit pressure on the start point of a stroke and release the hand like this. Release the pressure of your hand like this to get a stroke. Now how a stroke is different from a line? So line is when we apply same pressure across the full length of the line, and stroke is when we apply pressure on the start of the line and leave the pressure or release the pressure for the end of the line. Now Ishan has colored this very neatly and very beautifully. Now I'll tell how we can make this drawing more beautiful by use of strokes. So we will use strokes to shade the petals of the sunflower. So what I'll do is I'll start with one petal and make strokes like this. So I'm applying pressure, releasing pressure, applying, releasing, applying, releasing. Make sure we make strokes in the direction of the petal. This will give a nice shading to the petals. Now let's see how we can use strokes in this drawing. So this is a beautiful landscape with heavy clouds. So I'll use strokes to make grass in the landscape. So I'm using vertical strokes. So I'm applying pressure at the bottom of the line and then releasing to give it a look of a grass. Now, to give it a more natural look, I'll use 2-3 shades of green. And I'll make strokes in different directions. So, few strokes I'll make in this direction, some in the opposite direction, just to give a feel of real grass. We can also use yellow, light green and other shades of yellow or green to give it more natural look. In the same way, we can use strokes to make a rainy day or a rainy painting. So what I'll do is I'll make strokes in slanting direction. So I'll put a pressure and make a slanting line by releasing the stroke. And in this way, we can show droplets. Now let's see how we use the same strokes to shade this mango. So what I'm doing is I'm making horizontal strokes from the side of the mango like this in very light shade to give it a shade. Now similarly, from the opposite side, I'm making some strokes with a light green color to shade the mango. Now what an outline is? So outline is when we create the border of the object with any color to enhance the object out of the background or to make the object stand out from the background. So generally we do outline with a black color, but we can do outline with multiple colors to give it a more beautiful look. So let's see how we do outline with more than one color to give it a good look. So this is the sunflower which we have made. So now I will do the outline with a red color. And then I'll do the outline of the same flower with a black color. We can do outline with any dark color, so it's not mandatory to use black. So in this way, you get a kind of shading effect in the outline too. So here I have used two colors, but as per your imagination, you can use multiple colors. Now let's see how the outline or the drawing looks when we don't use black color for outline, but when we use different color. So here to outline the clouds, I am using blue color. So we see that we can use any dark color. But it also depends on the drawing which we are making. So if we are making clouds, then I cannot do the outline with a green color because they are clouds, and like this I am doing the outline of the land with the green color. So like this you can also apply a lot of creativity with outlines and strokes.
Thank you for watching.
And stay tuned for more lessons.
If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe below.